If you're a YouTuber, TikToker, Instagrammer, you create short form or long form content where you need captions for your videos, this insane AI Premiere Pro plugin will help you edit your captions 10 times faster. And best yet, you can upload your own custom templates and edit the captions and animation styles after they're even applied. And you can use this plugin while you're off Wi-Fi. Let's go. All right, we're inside of Premiere Pro. As you can see, I have a recording of myself. I'm doing like a short form reel, and I want to apply some captions, but applying captions manually can take a lot of time. So that's why we're going to be using the Captioneer plugin today for Premiere Pro. Now, quick disclaimer, it is a paid plugin. I know. To open it, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and then you click Captioneer. The plugin will open, and then you'll get taken to this page where you can go ahead and apply your captions. So the first things first, we need to transcribe our video. So I'm going to select auto captions from the track, and we're going to select our language, which is English. And it comes with over like 90 languages, I believe. So whatever language you're editing, you can use Captioneer. And you can also use it to remove the gaps. You can use it to remove the line breaks and remove bad punctuation as well. So all the mess ups, pauses, ums, buts, you can cut those all within the caption transcription. I'm gonna go ahead and click these little adjust settings icon next to our language, and it's gonna take it to this new tab where we can adjust, the format. So we're doing a portrait video and we want about 3 words per caption, right? And we're doing English, and then also generate a caption track. We're gonna make sure we hit auto, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit close. And then we literally go down to this tab where it says create, and we just hit add MOGRTs. Now it's going to transcribe your video. It's gonna be doing the transcription all offline, and instantly, just like that, boom, it transcribed my entire video. And you can see it's applying these captions as MOGRTs. So when you see it's playing out, well, it's still going, sorry, I spoke too soon. And just like that, boom, we got captions that are completely animated inside of Premiere Pro. So we have the standard caption subtitles in Premiere, but I'm gonna just turn those off. And then obviously place them directly in the center. So to adjust them, it's really easy. You just select all these captions, you go to your properties panel right here, and then you just move the position down to where you want them to be. And boom, just like that, all of our captions are applied. So you can see if we play this out, they're completely animated. They look super nice and clean. And this was done all offline. So if you're flying on an airplane, you can use this. You don't need to be logged into the Wi-Fi. And then what's even cooler is if you don't like these templates, there's a bunch of different templates in here that they already made. You have ARC subtitles, you have comic subtitles, MrBeast subtitles, whatever you want, you can do right here, and then you can just select them onto the timeline. Let's say you just want to apply these captions now, so you can just go ahead and simply just go back to the create and hit apply to the in and out markers again, and then it'll just simply do the same process and create these captions on a new track for you. But as you can see, it's super easy. It's going really fast. And the coolest thing about this is that you can also upload your own custom MOGRTs. So luckily I have this free animated caption template that I made for Premiere Pro. It's a stylized caption effect. So if you want to apply like effects with glowing emphasis words, you can, and it's completely free to download. So I've linked down to it below if you want to check it out. But to apply my caption template, you just go to your graphics panel, you just drag it onto your timeline just like that. And then boom, it comes with this super nice, clean subtitle animation. You can scale it down to fit your screen, and of course you can change anything from the color, sizing, position, text, font size, whatever you want. Even if you want to make the color like red, you can do so. If you want to make the text color different color, you can also do that as well. It's fully customizable, and it's all pre-animated as well, so it comes with this cool fade in, fade out. Anyways, hope you guys found something useful from this video. I just want to give a quick shout out to Captioneer because they made a really cool plugin that especially works offline, which is a huge help to me because I'm always traveling a lot and Wi-Fi is not available. Actually, right now, the power literally just went out, so I lost the Wi-Fi, so that's why I can use Captioneer for this video. Anyways, wanted to record this video. Hope you found something useful. Now, if you want to learn how to automatically edit event recap videos using AI as well, you can check out this